If you don't understand how the forex market works, you will keep guessing, and that is exactly how most beginners lose their money. In the next few minutes, you will be able to understand how the forex market works and how traders actually make money from it. The forex market is the biggest financial market in the world, and it is where currencies are traded, meaning buying one currency and selling another at the same time. Why do forex trading exist? Currencies are needed for businesses, travel, investment, and other aspects of life. In forex trading, currencies are traded in pairs. For example, we want to trade euro versus the United States dollar. We cannot just trade one currency at a time. You have to trade it with another currency, which makes it currency pair. And the first currency of any forex pair is known as the base currency, while the second currency is known as the court currency of any pair. The base currency is usually at the left side, while the court currency is always at the right side of the pair. Now, how do you make money from forex trading? Forex trading is like any other professional business. You buy a currency pair when the price is low and sell it when the price is high. But there is another advantage of forex trading, which may be quite different from other professional businesses. For example, we have candlesticks in the market. A candlestick represents the opening, the close, the high, and the low of a trading session. A candlestick forms or represents a news or fundamental analysis. Whenever there is a positive impact of news on a currency pair, the candlesticks is going to be green. That means the market is bullish and everyone is expected to buy the currency. As you are buying the currency, you are making profit when the market is moving in your direction, which is going up. And the other advantage is that you can also be selling. When the value of your currency is falling, you can still be making profit as you are selling the currency. That is the greatest advantage of forex trading. Now, what moves price? What actually makes the market move? One, news. News can actually have an impact on any currency pair, either positive impact or negative impact, and also supply and demand. It is very crucial to know who is in control of the market, either the buyers or the sellers, and also institutions. Institutions move the market in any direction they feel like, either buying or selling. There are three peak trading sessions in the market: the London trading session, the New York session, and the Tokyo session. One thing about Forex is that it is a very risky business. That is why you have to manage your risk management and your emotions while you are trading, and also your strategy, which is very important. Here is my advice for beginners, for those who are just coming into the Forex space. You need to start it smart. You have to learn and get the knowledge first. Use a demo account to practice and also stay consistent. Trade very small and use risk management. when you start funding your real account, but start with demo account first till you are good before you transit to a real account. Subscribe for more videos like this.